Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? Student, in my previous video, I explained you balanced diet. Why balanced diet is very important for us. It keeps our body fit and healthy. So, student, take rough copy and one pen. Today I will explain you deficiency diseases. So note down the important points. So student, today I will explain you deficiency diseases. Student, it is very important to eat right kind of food because food have nutrients which help our body to perform various functions. And we know that student, our body cannot make the nutrients. From where we are getting these nutrients? Student, we are getting these nutrients from the food which we are eating. So student, when the body does not get right amount of certain nutrients, we fall sick. Is it clear? When our body does not get right amount of certain nutrients, we fall sick. So student, diseases that are caused by lack of some particular nutrients is called it deficiency diseases. So that is the reason student, even your parents guide you to take balanced diet, eat all types of a food, okay, because by eating only the same food, your demand of different types of nutrients is not fulfilled. So student, take healthy diet. Now student, a condition in which a body or any part of the body is not able to function properly. So what's happened? Deficiency diseases occur. Okay, so student, let discuss what is malnutrition. First I discuss a small story with you, and after that I will discuss what is malnutrition. This is the story of two friends which are studying in the same class, and even they are good neighbors also. They are studying in the same school, same class, and they are also neighbors. So student, both of them give time to study also, they play games also, but many of the things they do together. But even that student, one of the friend continuously fall ill, but other friend is healthy. Is it clear? Both are of from good family, and what it has been observed that one of the friend continuously fall ill, but the other friend is healthy. So the parents took them to the doctor and asked, even we are giving, our child is taking good food, but maximum times he fall ill. Then student, what happened? Doctor examine the child, ask some question from his parents also, and then doctor explain why this happened, why this happens. So do you know, do you want to know student, what is the reason behind that? One friend continuously falling ill and other is healthy. It means the friend who is healthy, he is taking balanced diet. He is taking balanced diet. Even other friend is also eating, but due to lack of nutrients in his diet, continuously he fall ill. It means the diet which he was taking, that is not a balanced diet. Because student, I have already explained you that a diet which contains all the nutrients means carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals in right amount is known as a balanced diet. So now let's discuss what is malnutrition. So this type of a condition develops in our body student when, due to, when we does not get right amount of nutrients in our diet. So student, the children who does not have a balanced diet for a long period of a time, such type of a children suffer from malnutrition. So now what are the nutrients, which nutrient they are not taking in a adequate amount or in a right amount, so that they are suffering from malnutrition. So see student, carbohydrates and fats, they are energy giving foods. Is it clear? And protein rich food, are body building foods, and vitamins and minerals, they are protective foods. So student, due to lack of, maybe due to protein or due to vitamins and minerals, they are suffering from malnutrition. Is it clear? It means in their diet they are not getting nutrients which are according to their age are necessary in their diet. And see student, malnutrition generally occurs in the children whose age is between 1 to 5 years. Okay, it means this condition is maximum seen in the children whose age is between 1 to 5 years. Now student, let discuss what are the symptoms the body show when some child is suffering from malnutrition. So see this picture. This is the picture of a child who is suffering from malnutrition. So its symptoms are develop a big stomach, and even you see his rib bones also. Now another symptom is has thin upper arms. Now see in this picture, the arm of this child is very the arm of this child is very thin. Okay, and such children get tired very easily, because I already discussed that this condition arises due to lack of protein or vitamins and minerals in the diet. And as I already explained you, protein are body building food. It means due to lack of protein, the development, or you can say growth rate of the child is very less. Is it clear? Next point shows slow growth, that I already explained, due to lack of protein, because protein rich diet help in the growth and development of the body. It builds our bones and muscles, our skin, hair, nails. It also repair damaged cells and form new cells in our body. So if protein is not in the diet, so such child will show very slow growth, which is shown in the picture also. See his arm thin. swollen and bleeding gums. It means the blood is coming from the gums. Next, dizziness. Dizziness means, already one point I discussed with you, gets tired easily. It means the child is very weak. It means the child is very weak, and due to this it feel dizziness. Dizziness means weakness in the body, so that this type of child, उसे कई बार ऐसा होता है कि चक्कर आ जाते हैं, क्योंकि बच्चा बहुत वीक है, ठीक है, उसके बॉडी में न्यूट्रिएंट्स की कमी है, उसकी ग्रोथ रुक गई है, बहुत लेस ग्रोथ है, बिकॉज प्रोटीन इज लैकिंग इन हिज डाइट. ड्यू टू वीकनेस many टाइम इट शो द सिम्टम्स ऑफ डिजीनेस. मीन्स उसे चक्कर आते हैं वीकनेस होने के कारण बॉडी में. इज इट क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट, ए माल नॉरिश चाइल्ड, हाउ, what you have to do for this child, this kind of children who is suffering from malnutrition? Only solution is that give them a balanced diet. Solution is that give balanced diet. Give balanced diet. And extra supplements of protein or vitamins in and minerals. Extra supplements means the diet or the food which we are giving to such type of children. So in that food we add the quantity of the food which are rich in protein. Extra supplements means we add the quantity of those foods which are rich in protein or vitamins and minerals. Is it clear? So, what is malnutrition? I hope all of you are able to understand. Now, let's discuss night blindness. What is night blindness? What is night blindness? So student, first you understand this disease occur due to deficiency of which vitamin? So student, this disease occur due to lack of vitamin A in our diet. So if vitamin A is not getting to the person, then The person is suffering from a deficiency disease known as night blindness. Now student understand what happens in this condition. So what happen in night blindness? So student, a person suffering from night blindness, this person find difficult to see in dim light. They find difficulty to see in dim light. Okay, so and this is due to lack of vitamin A in our diet. Now let's discuss what are the symptoms. What are the symptoms which you observe in the person who is suffering from night blindness? Eyes become dull, triangular patches you will see on the white portion. I think all of you are able to see the white portion in your eye. So you will see triangular patches in that portion, and the skin become dull and scaly. Scaly means एकदम रूखी पपड़ीदार स्किन हो जाना. ठीक है. नाउ स्टूडेंट, so what type of a food we eat? So the food which is rich in vitamin A, carrots, papaya, mango, green leafy vegetables, milk. These are the food. If you take these foods in your diet, then these help to prevent these diseases. Okay, student. So, what is night blindness? This disease occur due to lack of vitamin A in our diet. And what happen in this? The person who is suffering from night blindness, they find it difficult to see in dim light. It means in dim light the things are not properly visible to those person. Next, next is the very. So first of all, student, name of the disease is very. So, and disease is caused due to lack of vitamin B in our diet. See, in the picture it is shown. See the picture. This child is suffering from very. See the picture. Observe it for 2 seconds. And now, student, what are the symptoms of very? The symptoms are numbness in hand and feet, What does it means? It means that numbness means कभी कभी कोई पार्ट होता है ना बॉडी का बिल्कुल सुन्न हो जाता है, ठीक है। जैसे कभी कभी तुम लोग हम लोग खेलते हैं या वी आर सिटिंग इन वन पोस्चर, बहुत देर तक एक ही पैर पे बैठे रह गए तो कभी ऐसा फील होता है कि हमें लगता है ना कि हमारा पैर बिल्कुल सुन्न हो गया, ठीक है। वहाँ हमें कुछ सेंसेशन का जल्दी पता नहीं चलता है। तो द चिल्ड्रन हु आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम दीज डिजीज, तो दे फील नबनेस इन हैंड एंड फीट, ठीक है। एंड इवन proper blood circulation is not there. Is it clear? And other symptom is loss of appetite and weight. Appetite means भूख ना लगना। appetite means भूख ना लगना। और बेटा अगर आपको भूख नहीं लगेगी, अगर कोई बीमार है वो कुछ खाना ही नहीं खा रहा है, उसके बॉडी में एनर्जी ही नहीं जा रही है और उसे भूख ही नहीं लग रही है, खाना देख रहा है लेकिन फिर भी उसका मन नहीं कर रहा है खाना खाने का, तो ऐसे में जब आप डाइट ही नहीं ले रहे हो, फूड नहीं हेल्दी ले रहे हो, तो वेट तो अपने आप बॉडी का लूज होगा। इज इट क्लियर? सो एपेटाइट मीन्स भूख ना लगना, एंड ड्यू टू दिस द वेट of the body also become less. And what happen? Very disease, it affects the nerves and muscles of the body. Nerves and muscles of the body. That is the reason I explained you its symptom is numbness. Numbness means in hand and feet. Is it clear? So when the muscles are not strong, so this type of a condition arises. Next, first observe the picture. Observe this picture. And name of the disease is scurvy. Scurvy is the disease, and how this disease caused? This disease caused due to lack of vitamin C. Lack of vitamin C in our diet. Okay. So, and what are the symptoms? Bleeding and swelling of gums. See, if you see the picture, see swelling in the gums, and blood is also coming. So these are the symptoms of this bleeding and swelling of gums, and even loss of teeth also take place. Even loss of teeth also take place due to scurvy. So now let discuss what are the sources of food which give you or which are rich in vitamin C. So you must take oranges, lemon, amla, tomatoes, sprouted grains. These are rich in vitamin C. So student, watch the video, make a notes for you, and the points maybe which you are unable to understand, you note down in your rough copy, and you can ask me in online classes also. Thank you student.